you're about to witness a performance.
Dun sa theme nung
Aking assignment.
Ay ang ating
Hi, good afternoon po.
meron ka bang bag?
Rent lang po.
Sige, yung bag dito na.
Pwede naman po mag-video,
Yes,
no?
pwede na.
Thank you. Maaga po ba ako masyado?
Sakto na. 8 minutes na lang.
What's your name? Sam.
This is your first time.
Yes po. Ngayon po, ano po more on
Yung ngayon is focusing on the folds and twists to detox the body. So now you can relax your hands and then close your eyes. Relax your forehead, your jaw, and your shoulders. And just take a deep breath in and deep breath out. So this practice is not just about your physical body to detox, but also to detox your mind and the mental posture. Helps to open the hips. So this is the center of the body. So if you are stressed at work or sa studies, so this one helps to release any stagnant emotion. So thank you for sharing your wonderful energy. We say namaste to the end of this session. The light in you may always. The light in you. Namaste.
So I decided na mag-sports center na ako bago ako umuwi. Wala lang, share ko lang. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakapunta dito. Kasi September. Na! I should have done this morning. Kasi usually, gabi talaga ako pumunta dito. Pero right now, it's not giving. Done. So we're just gonna change. Hey guys, just got home and I'm so hungry. This is our girl dinner for tonight. First, chicharon. Next, leftover from earlier, chicken. Ako nagluto nito. Next, cookies. Next, Gold Deluxe. Lastly, green grapes.
You hungry as shit?
Yeah. Hello guys. It's October 3rd. Night of October 3rd.
It's October 3rd.
And you're about to witness. Like, you're about to witness a performance that you've never seen before. So, wala, gagawa lang ako ng reviewer. Mag-aral-aralan lang ako kasi exam namin bukas.
A few moments later.
I just realized and I just read mismong midterm exam pa na namin sa subject na to is sa October 11 pa. Bale, yung online exam revalida bukas. So, ano ang aaning ko? Hindi, pero gagawa pa rin ako ng reviewer, diba? Para advance, advanced reading or advanced learnings, right?
I mean, let me ask the audience.
Tomorrow, hindi. Basta tomorrow morning, we have a presentation, group presentation. Yun na yung consider midterm exam namin. Yeah. Look. May nagawa naman ako, pero isang lesson pa lang siya, guys. Nag-Pomodoro technique kasi ako. Tapos, yung 5 minutes, hala, nasobran, baks. Masyado lang na yung attention span ko, napa-TikTok live na ako, magaw na ako, parang, in my defense. Next week pa naman yung exam. So, I have more days to prepare, and yeah, no pressure, no pressure. Pressure cooker. Fit check.
Is it the things that I did for putting you bitches on? Is it my fault that all you bitches gone? Should've said that thank you, no, you're a hoe. Now I'm gonna have you called them.
Hello po. Good morning. Madali pa ako. Hindi pa pala ako late. Hi guys!
Are you vlogging right now?
Yeah. Lilipat tuloy kami ng ibang room kasi it is.
Hi guys! Si vlogger naman.
Kaya mo ako. Or a farming. Hi. Hi. Teka naman. Hi, Jay. Jay, say kayo. So, dito kami sa elevator right now. We're going to the third floor. Sorry. Okay guys, touchdown, third floor. Guys, sa tingin nyo anong room kami? Hi.
Nag-uugumigan yan.
Ay, ugali mo ha.
Commendation of Icova Church.
Was the experience worth it?
Sino ang mali
Si
doon?
bakla hindi na naman nagigit si mga sinasabi ko.
Thank you. Let's give the group a big hand.
Class is done.
Kasama yun sa Dartmouth?
Hindi. Separate by... Aray.
Gabriela, hands up, Gabriela. Asan sila? Pa-ubay ka nila, di ba? Yeah. As mo. Yeah. Bakit sabi?
Hi. Vlogging.
Tayo. Hi tayo.
Hi, pal.
Cute nito.
I know, right? We're here in the library.
Pag magpipigal po daw kayo, dapat naka-side kayo. Tapos yung grip daw, kunyari, pag binigay mo, kunyari, ito yung para. Pag binigay mo lang sa'yo, dapat ganun lang.
Magkano bayad niyo dun ba?
550. Tapos
Ilang hours?
1 eternity later.
Reaction namin.
Pero ginawa kasi ako ng husband na namin.
Iyak ka na naman eh!
Pero na namin, ganda ng tao siya.
Ha?
Ganda ng tao.
Salamat. Ano lang yan?
Ukay na naman. Ganda ng gatekeeper.
Siyempre.
Mag-i-style ako ng
Sama ko, mag-vlog lang.
Ay, di mo.
Bak, lalabas kayo? Lalabas ba? Lalabas? Ba, saan?
It ain't nobody safe when you're drunk, ain't nobody safe when you're hungry. Fucking hungry.
I don't know this girl.
Tayo, hindi namin alam yung may camera. Makakancel naman tayo.
Cancel ka na kanina pa. po.
Hi, Kuya.
Hi,
Say
Kuya. Hello po. Masamang ugali. Hindi in-stop. Go. Pakisabi.
Eh, marunong ka mag-tablet.
Hawakan mo.
Dito. Okay.
Ba't malungkot ang beshi ko? Kasi malungkot ang lola mo.
Gusto ko ang, ang merch ko, Sampaguita. S. Sampaguita. Sampaguita with an S. May inside joke yun. Basta may nagagawa kasi Kiana with a K.
Taas na kami mga bobo!
Nakatay ko.
Ano ba? Siya isang makasal.
Okay lang kayo gawin kitang cameraman.
Pwede.
Totoo. Nag-aaral sila.
Ay, nakita ko yung kay Ika. Uy, gago taray, nakamukbuk na siya. Ang tagal mo talaga.
Ay, grabe talaga. Nakaka-LL. Teka nga, te.
Hindi ako yung gabi.
Ay ka naman. Vlog to. Guys, kunwari nag-aaral kayo. Nag-aaral.
Naka-vlog.
Hello guys.
Sa boosters.
Aral-aralan. Onting emote pa ka.
Ano yung sasabi ni Ala? Pakisabi.
Usually, same-same lang naman sila ng meaning. Depende lang dun sa theme ng deck mismo.
Naglalas yung isa ka.
Depende kung gano'n ka kung may follow-up question. Kasi hindi, ang ginagawa kasi, kunyari, sige, question. Kuha ko 6 na cards. Tapos, pero minsan kasi dinanagdagan ko kayo.
Wait lang. Darren, gusto mo pa sila? Tatlong baraha.
Clarifier, kung may follow-up question ka, 3 yung kukunin ko.
We're nowhere to go exit. Mag-notes ka nga, WTG.
Ay, kaya na-hesitant mag-vlog, pero...
It's fine. To. I don't know which color. If the brown or cream or peach. I don't know. Pero my top one is ito. So, hello, welcome.
Hello po. Is it okay?
So right now, I am on my way sa art gallery or art fair. Kasi nakita ko lang siya. Ayan, Gateway Art Fair. So let's go there. Actually, parang di naman pala nakakahiya mag-video kasi people are minding their own business. Parang it will just simple glimpse, titingnan ka lang nila ng saglit, and then tada! You're not so important anymore. So yeah. Like, oh my god, my shell. I like this one. Ganda, oh my god, guys. Look. I wonder kung lahat ng artists is local. Like Pinoy. Guys, ito art na ako. Ito na yun. Guys, this is so fun. I really love art. The end. Marami pa eh. Pero, pumunta na lang kayo dito, guys. Like, I can't show everything. Papanood nyo to, tapos na tong fair. So, kuya, excuse me po, hanggang kailan lang po yung art fair? Ay, bukas po. Thank you. Hanggang bukas lang siya, guys. Which is October 5. So, yeah. Hello, guys. Samahan nyo akong maggawa ng aking assignment.
Clap if you care. All right, let's move on. Perfect.
We're going to church. Hello, guys. We will have early dinner celebration of my dad's birthday kasi maaga siyang aalis. Di abot yung birthday niya here. Am I right, Mom?
Hi.
Say hello, Dad. Ate.
No!
My sister is camera shy. No! Kuya Rai, say hi. Thank you. Happy birthday. Guys, update. I'm full.
Ow! No!
I'm kind of full.
No!
Baldo. We're going home, guys.